Raju was a young boy who lived in a small village. He was honest and kind. One day, he found a wallet on the road. It had money and an ID card inside. Raju thought, I must return it. He looked at the name and address on the card. He walked to the address and knocked on the door. An old man opened the door. Raju said, Sir, I found your wallet on the road. The old man was very happy. You are an honest boy, he said. He thanked Raju and gave him a chocolate. Raju smiled and walked home happily. A few days later, Raju was walking to school. He saw a big car stop near his house. A man in a suit came out and asked, Is this Raju's house? Raju was surprised and said, Yes, I am Raju. The man smiled and said, I am the son of the old man whose wallet you returned. My father told me about your honesty, he said. I want to help you. Raju said, Help me? The man said, Yes, from today I will pay for your school fees and books. Raju couldn't believe it. He was very happy and said, Thank you, sir. Raju's parents were also proud and said, We are blessed to have a son like Raju. Years passed by. Raju studied hard and never forgot his values. He always helped others and spoke the truth. The rich man supported Raju's education every year. One day, Raju got a letter. It said, You are selected for a government scholarship. Raju jumped with joy. I can now study in the city, he said. He went to college and became a great teacher. People respected him for his honesty and kindness. One evening, Raju visited his village. The old man and his son were waiting for him. The man said, Raju, you have made us proud. You are a true hero. Raju smiled and said, I just did what was right. Now Raju was a well-known teacher in the city. His students loved him. Everyone respected him. But Raju never forgot his village. He visited often and helped poor students with books and clothes. One day, he told his students, I want to build a school in my village. Everyone clapped. They said, Sir, we will help you. With the help of friends and kind people, Raju built a small but beautiful school in his village. He named it the School of Honesty. Poor children came to study for free. Raju himself taught them with love and care. The old man, who once lost his wallet, came to the opening ceremony. With tears in his eyes, he said, Raju, your honesty changed many lives. Raju replied, Kindness is a seed. It always